Want to protest about trans rights, gun laws, or abortion bans? Go ahead, it's your First Amendment right. But not so fast. The second you block traffic, ignore a curfew, or step onto private property, that so-called peaceful protest suddenly becomes trespassing, disorderly conduct, or even unlawful assembly. So where's the line between free speech and getting cuffed? The good news is, the Constitution protects your right to speak, assemble, and, yes, even scream at City Hall if you want. But those rights aren't unlimited. Courts allow restrictions on time, place, and manner. Translation? You can wave your sign on the sidewalk, but not in the middle of rush hour traffic. Block a highway, trespass on private property, or refuse to disperse when ordered. You're not exercising free speech anymore, you're breaking the law. That's where charges like unlawful assembly or disorderly conduct kick in. The protest might start peaceful, but the moment it interferes with safety or property, game over. Here's the tricky part. Sit-ins, blocking entrances, or occupying buildings. Some judges see it as protected speech, others see trespassing. That's why protesters often roll the dice. Sometimes they make history, sometimes they make bail. So yes, protest, chant, march, speak up. Just remember, your rights don't disappear, but they do have limits. And if you want to stay out of handcuffs, know exactly where those limits are. Subscribe to Legal Street Smarts before your next rally, because the law won't cut you slack just because you didn't know.